Hello friends, guess where am I? IKEA! Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Princess Zavi. Today I'm here in IKEA and I love to come here. Look at the beautiful flowers. Oh, look at the painting. From this I remember I had got the first prize in art competition. There are lotus, everything in this. Swimming pool. I had got a first prize medal in art competition. I love this. Yes. And I had got a cute little toy, Timmy. Oh, look at the octopus are everywhere in IKEA. And yellow is my favorite color, so I like the octopus. They're so cute. Oh, the electricity went. Oh, look at this thing. Study tables for children. The colors of the chairs. They're so good. I love the colorful chairs, tables. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at the pandas stuck over here. They are so silly. Oh my god. What are you standing here for, pandas? I'm asking you a question. Look at the octopus here and the whales. Ah, there's even a polar bear. Wow. Oh yeah, they are eating panda over here. Look at the elephant hanging. Oh, look at the lions and the bears. Look, even lions are over here. So naughty lions. Oh, they are doggy lunch boxes. Look at these colorful plates. I took it from here and to the octopus I gave a treat. Nice treat. Oh, look at these children. While their parents were eating, they were enjoying here, having their own fun. And I have come here to eat and drink something. I love to come in IKEA because this is such a good place and it's my favorite place. Oh, look at the polar bears over here. I have collected some colorful stuff and then gave it to the octopus. Oh, the octopus are even hanging over here. I feel sad for them. I will take them and give them a treat now. Come on, let's go. These octopus were hanging up. So I have brought them here to give them a treat. First, I took the bowls and give them a little treat. And then I took a glass of water and gave it to them. And then I was also hungry, so I went to eat something special. This is cinnamon pie and that is hot chocolate fudge. And I also drank coffee. Okay, bye bye friends. See you next time.